I don't know what this place is. I hope there's no... What? There was some bees. The crazy corn did... Hey. Crazy corn did this. But I love them so much. But we must collect some honey. Boom. I'm sorry guys, but we must empty their hives. Oh. I finally made it on top. This is an amazing glitch. Whoa. So, oh yes, I got so many. Let's get more. Collect. Whoa. Thank you, bees, for making me climb. Yes! So... But a lot of times, this is the Number Blocks elevator episode. It's called Build a Beehive. Episode 1. This is a great season ever. New episode. We have but there's no room there. But I'm gonna make some bees. Let's get doing. Job done. My beehive is here. What? We're gonna go to number block. No, look. You have lots of honeybee wins to go back to your planet. Wow, some bees are building. Bees. Good. 3. What about you? 3. How about you? I know. I got some bees there. Look. Sure. Oh, wow. Some bees. Just doing the epic. I want to become a pro. When I was the first time playing this game, it was taken down, but it was taken down for a little bit until something happened. Let's do the bee. Let's spawn some bees because they could build a hive. There's a clover bee, honey bee, and another clover bee. And there it is. We have another honeybee. They're building some nests because they're the first lives. Let's build a sunflower. This is Daisy. Let's spawn it. Let's spawn a bee. Ooh, a white one. There's a white bee. It's so rare. Wow. They're building some hives. They're building some hives. They're building some hives. They're building some hives. Wow. There they are. There's one pentagon is missing. There's a heartbeat here. Boom. It will grow in 2 minutes. Ooh, it will grow in 5 minutes. And even, it will grow in 15 minutes. That's a long timer. Ooh. Hold on, let's grow the bees together. I can't because I'm a limit. I got place limit to join this team. Oh, you could join team for free. It's only for 0 Robux. It's only for 1 Robux. One Robux. Bing. Yes. Much better. We must spawn a bee. I hope it's not wasp. Me too. Ooh, a white bee. That was so close. You gonna build a hive up there. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to build a hive. He has a nest now. And look, these hives are full of honey. Let's catch the 56, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Yeah. White bee. And another one. What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Ooh. Thank you, white bee. So amazing. Oh, what? Ooh. They're building. Let's spawn a bee. Wait. I'm right. You know that? Ew! I saw that! I know. This is episode 3. Build a beehive, episode 1. Seems like let's go. Yay, we're going back to the world! No. Bees. Wake up!